Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're plunging straight into how to create reports by user in ClickUp, your complete 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to log into your ClickUp account. Now that we're in, proceed to the left sidebar and select Reporting. This is your command center for all things reporting. It's where the magic happens. Next up, you'll see a New Report button at the top right corner. Click on it. This is how we start generating a fresh report tailored to your needs. Now, in the drop-down that appears, select Custom. This allows us to create a report from scratch, not limited to any predefined settings. Now on to choosing our data. Click the Add Chart button and then select Task as your chart type. The reason we do this is to make sure we're focusing on tasks assigned to individual users. With Task selected, let's focus on Group By. Here, choose Assignee. This helps us because it organizes our tasks by who they're assigned to, enabling us to create a report per user. Now, just one more step. Click Save at the top right corner of your screen, give your report a name, and you're done. Behind the scenes, ClickUp is now generating your report, presenting you with data specific to each user. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've just created a user-specific report in ClickUp. It's an efficient way to keep track of individual performance and task completion, all within a few clicks. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, happy ClickUpping.